We visited Conroe Welding Supply, who uses FasTest very quick coupling systems for versatility in their medical filling operation, which allows them to use medical CGA 540s to traditional post valves.
I'm Chris King with Conroe Welding Supply. I started in the industry being a driver, worked my way up into sales, then a dispatcher, and now I'm a branch manager for the company. We pride ourselves on customer service, so when a customer is in need and they need it now, we do everything we can to get them taken care of so that they're not shut down. So with the quick connects, it's so nice because it saves us on fuel expenses trying to transport the cylinders to another facility to get filled. Of course, driver time and also the pumper time, where we can just swap out our connections and boom, we're filling their cylinders. Actually, there wasn't much of a learning curve with this situation because it's just so easy. You just take off one connection, put on another one, and you're going. And it also makes it easier because when you don't have a full rack of cylinders, you leave those connections off and they stop any kind of airflow, so you can do whatever you need to do. So all you do is set it down in there, push it down, it locks in place, ready to go, lift up, swap it out. And you're ready to roll with your ease. He can do all those cylinders in one day, where he would have to split it up between, doing certain cylinders one day and certain cylinders another day, just because he had to change out the fittings. I would say go with the quick connects. If you're any company that wants to switch over, that's the best way to go because it's just so easy. Once you get set up, you rock and roll, swap them out, move, keep on going. It doesn't take any time. Ratterman has been great. Every time I've called them and needed something, I've had it within 48 hours, no matter what it was, whether it be the little red tabs for the E's to, parts for the system. So it's been great.